Question. The collective name for the easternmost parts of India is known as what? North, East. So option C will be its right. The northeastern region of India consists of dash states. 8 states. যদি পছারে কেতটা সিস্টার 7 wow. Next, the contiguous 7 states are known as land of 7. Option B will be its right. Which northeast state is not geographically a contiguous state? कोड़ा लागिन geographically. Second, ये कोटा कौन? Happily it takes the role of brother. Okay. Which state is not included among the 7 sisters? It's Sikkim. It's Sikkim. Wow. Then, which state plays the role of a little brother? Sikkim. Next. People of Northeast India celebrate their festivals with traditional dance. And dance. The option A पटे अछि. कौन है जो? Music. Option. Then, many of the Northeast festivals are based on dash. Agriculture. Celebration of festival is not complete without traditional dance and music. The people of Assam are blessed with dash. Different religions, lost greenery. The koda is go? Lost greenery and the Brahmaputra. So say is next. 11. The important festival of Assam are Bihu festival. Bihu festivals are of dash kinds. It's 3 kinds. Bihu festivals are Rangoli Bihu, Kongoli Bihu, and Bhogoli Bihu. Rangoli, Kongoli, Bhogoli. अच्छा. Next. देखो अंबर सरिया. Which Bihu festival is known as Bohag Bihu? मु कहतली बहु कोन आनि दियो रंगोली कोन आनि दियो रंगोली. In which Bihu festival do people light lamps and pray to God for good harvest? को बिहु रे बोहाग भोगोली काटी रंगोली. It's काटी कोंगोली जग कोन कोन कोंगोली और काटी को बिहु. Which Bihu festival symbolizes the end of the harvest season? शेषरे तावन कोडा भोगोली बिहु. भोगोली बिहु कोन कहसे माघ बिहु. को बिहु right. तापर बिहु celebration is incomplete without melodious folk songs and traditional dance. बिना नाच गीतर किछि नहीं हुए. The young people in Assam dance during Bihu with songs and leg movement, songs and hand movement, slow steps and hand movement, brisk steps and hand movement. Option B. Brisk steps and hand movement. Very good. Which musical instrument are played during Bihu dance? Cymbals, bamboo clapper, dhol and pippa, all the above. Could I say all the above? Arunachal Pradesh is situated in the dash region of the Himalaya. Mountain region of Himalaya. Am I right? What makes Arunachal Pradesh so beautiful? Mountains, forest, mountain and forest, green paddy field and pine-clad mountains. Option B. Green paddy fields and pine-clad mountains. Next, which festival in Arunachal Pradesh marks the new year? Zero festival, Losar festival, Mopin. Thank you so much. It's only Losar festival. Losar festival. Okay. आजा भाई. Next. To welcome the new year, the people of Arunachal Pradesh dash clean their homes, discard the old things, worship their God, clean their homes and discard the old. Could I go? D. Clean their homes and discard the old. तामाने पुराना जिनिस गोटे कि नुआ जिनिस. Mopin festival is celebrated in dash. Mopin. अरुणाचल प्रदेश अच्छा को देवी मोपिन अच्छा को डांस पॉपिल अच्छा मोपिन फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड by the को ट्राइब्स गालो ट्राइब्स कौन है इसको हां तमाने अरुणाचल प्रदेश रे को ट्राइब्स देखा जानती गालो अच्छा पीपल सेलिब्रेट द मोपिन फेस्टिवल पीपल कौन है इसको हां कौन है इसको सेटा हार्वेस्ट which dance is performed in Mopin festival it's popil ko dance popil in the Mopin festival people worship goddess Deas to drive away the evil spirits and for acquiring prosperity it's Mopin devi ko devi Mopin the iconic outdoor musical festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Zero festival kya festival Zero festival every year the Zero festival is held in the month of September month of September month आग लगा दी okay then which festival in Manipur binds and revives the relationship between married girls and their parents it's only Ningal Chakoba Nimba Simba Ningal Chakoba in Ningal Chakoba festival the married girls and their children are given gifts a lot of money costly ornaments athletic dress and materials grand feast and option D grand feast and विराट का भोजन दिए जाए तब कौन तापरे गिफ्ट दिए जाए कौन दिए जाए हाँ next the people of Manipur celebrate Deas festival in April Cheroba क्या option Cheroba during the Cheroba the people of Manipur climb nearest hilltops because they believe that this will help them to get good harvest live happily in the family to satisfy the god and goddess to rise to a higher plane in life to rise to a higher plane in बुझेला option next who celebrates Chapchar festival very good option B Mizoram the people of Mizoram Chapchar मन रहिबो then Chapchar is a dance festival in the Mizoram summer spring it's only spring festival in Mizoram who celebrate Wangla Galos तो जाइए already कौन Garo कौन Garo tribe the Wangla is known as what a 100 drum festival a 100 drum देखा हो तुमको देखा जाओ नहीं ये पढ़ी कुछ याद सुनो ठीक है आप ठीक है जा सेव करो फिर बस जा बैग डालो बचा लो एक जी बताओ माय देवी हेला तो ये पढ़ेगा 38 क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 the Wangla is celebrated in India's Assam Manipur Arunachal Pradesh Meghalaya हाँ the Wangla is known as 100 drum festival because तब कौन बैंक भाषा beaten together option B Wangla is a dance festival spring harvest winter new year it's harvest who beat the drums during the Wangla festival men हेला कोई छोटका नहीं हेला तो ये मैं नहीं जो ओके because तो 42 next एटा छाड़ी दे छी छोड़ दे ताले अच्छी ओके देन देखो आउट के अल्ट्राजोन अब नहीं who celebrate Karachi Puja? The people of Nagaland, the people of Manipur, the people of Sikkim, the people of Meghalaya. अब बोलो, भूल अच्छी है तुझसे. People of the Karachi Puja is held in the month of dash. The Karachi Puja is held in Old Agartala, New Agartala, New Haveli, Central Haveli. Old Agartala, Old বা পুরান হাভেলি. কোন? Next. How long Karachi Puja held? For a week. Karachi Puja. So ये for a week is. How many deities are worshipped in Karachi Puja? It's 14. The dances during Karachi Puja represent what? Hunting, food gathering, etc. The most important festival Nagaland celebrate is what's most to its most to. The most to is celebrated. The most to is celebrated before the sowing season, after the sowing season, before harvesting, after harvesting. Well, after the sowing season. Which festival of Nagaland is named after a bird of the state? Hornbill. The Hornbill festival of Nagaland is celebrated in Hornbill festival of Nagaland is celebrated in December. महीना आग लगा दी. Next. The Hornbill Festival of Nagaland is celebrated for 10 days. 10 days. Which one is India's most colorful and charming festival? Hornbill. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହିଥିଲି ନା ମନେ ରଖିବ colorful. Hornbill. What do the Nagas showcase during the Hornbill Festival? Cultural heritage of 16 tribes, musical heritage 9, educational heritage बिल्कुल 9. Social heritage अबे 9. Option cultural heritage of 16 tribes. The men in Nagaland in the dances during the festival show off. Second प्रदर्शन करन. Hunting and wearing skills. कौन सो off करन दिखान. Hunting and wearing skills. These are the soul of Naga festivals. Songs and music and dances. Songs and dances. Dances and dress. थोड़ा ही तार उत्तर है जो songs and dances. खाली म्यूजिक की तो क्या कथा है जावे ना. Sit by song dance. Okay. Nagas preserve and pass down their oral history through celebration of festivals, costumes and tradition, colorful dress, songs and dances. Oral history, celebration of festivals. Celebration of festivals. 59. Men wear warrior costume in India's festival of Nagaland. Mostu, Losa, Hornbill, Losum. Men wear warrior costume in festival of Nagaland. Men wear warrior costume in festival of Nagaland. You can is Hornbill. The festival of Sikkim are based on Buddhism. The festival of Sikkim are celebrated as per the Buddhist calendar. Actually, बहुत अच्छी है छोटा लगे. Sagadawa. तापर कौन? Dawa. Sagadawa is a festival of Sikkim. Okay. Aso. आओ. Which festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and death of Lord Buddha? It's Sagadawa. Sagadawa is celebrated on the full moon day in the Tibetan lunar month during May and June. When is Lasung celebrated? At the beginning of New Year, at the beginning of sowing season, at the end of the harvesting, at beginning of harvesting, at the end of option C is the correct answer. Charm dance is performed in India's festival. Charm dance. Lasung. कौन है जो सेटा? Lasung. तापर archery contest is conducted India's festival. Archery. Lasung तिहार. तो ये तो जमा होगा नहीं. Lasung. कौन है जो? तो ये इसमें कौन? Lasung. Which festival marks Tibetan New Year? Sagadawa, Losar, Tihar, Lasung. Which festival marks Tibetan New Year? It's Losar. Next. Diya's festival is the festival of light, like Diwali. It's Tihar. The festivals of Northeast India encourage educational activities, social activities, educational and religious activities, cultural and artistic activities. कौन है इसवाला? Cultural and artistic activities. The final question. The festivals of Northeast India bring out the dash of the people. Natural. Best. Hell, this much from me. Thank you.